going on, family? Checking in at my guy paint shop and the little body shop over here. I mean the mechanic shop on that side. Let you see this. Woo! Ooh, it's gonna be nasty. This thing pretty, man. Check them out. It's about to be nice. Don't you like to see tradesmen doing their skills? This thing is pretty. Woo, it's pretty. Look at that. Woo. She bad, y'all. She bad. My guy know what he doing, man. So, if you need some custom paint going, hey, I know somebody that takes pride in what they do. And I only like to mess with people that takes pride in what they do. Like I take pride in what I do. You know what I mean? Hold on.